Let's make some low-carb or sugar-free halo-halo. So may several steps tayo. Of course, step 1, gawin muna natin yung ating low-carb ice cream. Kasama na dyan ang paghada ng ating low-carb ube halaya and also our low-carb leche flan. See separate cards for this. Ginamit natin ang ating DIY yogurt dito at nasabi na natin na pwede mong gawin. I-strain yung yogurt milk para mag-solidify ang yogurt and that's the time you can use it for your yogurt frozen ice cream and refer to our recipe card. Okay, so let's just mix the ingredients, prepare them all. And of course, prepare mo na rin ang iyong container for your low-carb ice cream. At ang ginamit ko nga ay metal pan. Tinakpan ko lang ito ng parchment paper and then freezer na ito overnight. Napansin ko na yes, masarap na itong coconut vanilla ice cream pero mas magko-complement kung ginawa natin itong ube ice cream. So itabi na natin ito at i-chill na natin ito overnight. And then the next step naman is gawin naman natin yung ating gelatin or yung ating mga jellos at pwede siyang iba't ibang flavor. Okay, so eto na yung ating recipe for this one. Refer na lang po natin dito sa video. Okay, so for every 1 cup of cold water, ilagay natin ang ating 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder at paghalu-haluin natin ito. And then let it sit, let it bloom for 3 minutes. And then prepare na tayo ng hot water. Kailangan talaga hot water, 1 cup rin. And then, you mix the flavor that you want. Naglagay ako dito ng strawberry flavor at nilagyan ko ng konting patak ng red food color. And then, doon naman sa green natin, ang ginawa ko naman ay pandan flavor. So, depende sa flavor na gusto mo at lagyan mo rin ng konting kulay para maging masaya yung ating halo-halo. And then, syempre, after malagay mo na siya sa isang glass container, tapan mo ng cling wrap, and then, i-prepare na natin ito to refrigerate. The following day, eto na sila. Gawin na natin ang ating halo-halo. So, well, ginamit ko lang aking blender dahil wala akong ice shaver. And then, eto na nga yung mga jellos natin, yung strawberry jello ko. And then, the green one is the pandan jello. And then, nilagyan din natin ng ating, of course, ng ating yogurt ice cream, leche flan, and ube halaya. And then, of course, magpo-pour tayo dito. Half and half ginawa ko. Half almond milk and half heavy cream. So, ready na ang ating low-carb halo-halo. Nasa yun na yan kung pwedeng lagyan mo pa ng cheese chunks and other ice cream flavors. Basta dapat lahat low-carb and sugar-free. So, enjoy the summer and stay low-carb and sugar-free. God bless!